Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss about the drug proparasine. 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 The question is write the retrosynthetic and direct synthetic analysis of proparasine. The another name of the proparasine is proxymetasine. Proxymetasine. This is the another name of proparasine. Generally, this is the drug which is used for anesthetic. Anesthetic. What is anesthetic? జనరల్గా మనము సర్జరీ చేసేటప్పుడు పెయిన్ రాకుండా పెయిన్ కిల్లర్స్ వాడతాం కదా, అటువంటి పెయిన్స్ని మొత్తం కలిగించేది అన్నిటిని కూడా ఒక విభాగంలో ఉంచారు. దాన్ని అనస్థెటిక్స్ అంటాం. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద అనస్థెటిక్ ఈజ్ ప్రోపారాసైన్. అయితే ఒక్కొక్క అనస్థెటిక్ డ్రగ్ ఒక్కొక్క సర్టన్ ప్లేస్ అనేది పర్మిట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఈ ప్రోపారాసైన్ అనేది మన ఉన్న ఐస్కి పర్మిట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఐస్ సర్జరీ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు numb the eyes, before the surgery. Generally it is used as anesthetic which is used to numb the eyes before the surgery. ఐ సర్జరీ చేసేటప్పుడు మన కంటి నొప్పి తెలియకుండా ఉంచే మత్తుమంది కింద దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? ప్రోపారాసైన్. Now the question is write the retrosynthetic analysis and direct synthesis of proparasine. And now I will write the structure of proparasine. Proparasine. The structure of proparasine is NH2 group like this compound C double bond O nitrogen diethyl group. This is the complete structure of proparasine. Now I will write the reversible synthesis of proparasine. I will write the retrosynthesis. This is the retrosynthetic arrow. I will disconnect the place and carbon nitrogen, and I will write the CN disconnection. Already in previous class we follow some guidelines. One of the guidelines is next to the heteroatom carbon nitrogen disconnection takes place here. This is the symbol of retrosynthesis, and the synthons are as it is here. NH2 group O like this, C double bond O CH2 plus, and nitrogen minus diethyl group. This is the synthons. These fragments are synthons of this target molecule. This is the target molecule. T means target molecule. These are synthons. Synthons are the fragments of molecule which are associated with the plus or minus charge. So these are stabilized by CH2 plus is stabilized by Cl minus ion, and nitrogen is stabilized by hydrogen ion. And these are synthons. These synthetic equivalents are like this. C double bond O plus charge. These are and one of the compound is completed, that is the reactant molecule like this nitrogen. This is the reactant molecule 1. Reactant molecule 1 is completely disconnect the part. Okay, this is the synthetic equivalent is like this Cl minus. Okay, these are synthons, these two are synthetic equivalents. These are fragments of target molecule and these are associated with plus or minus. So these are called synthons and these synthetic equivalents are Cl and NH2. Now I will discuss this molecule like this. CO disjunction takes place. CO disjunction. And the synthetic equivalents are molecule O like this, C double bond O minus plus CH2 plus CH2 Cl. Wait, sorry. I will discuss like this molecule like this, C double bond O oxygen. Okay, these synthons are C double bond O plus and O minus Cl. These are synthons. These two are synthons of this molecule. Synthons. And these are stabilized by, here it is stabilized by OH minus ion and it is stabilized by H plus ion. These are synthetic equivalents and the synthetic equivalents of this molecule is C double bond O. Here we forget NH2 molecule. And it is stabilized by, sometimes it is also write as O minus attack this compound and Cl is come out like this and formation of epoxide. Formation of like this O epoxide. This is called epoxide. Epoxide is the synthetic equivalent of this compound. Sometimes we can write that. And second molecule is obtained as epoxide. This is the reactant molecule 2. Okay. Now the target molecule take as this compound. And here we choose the functional group interconversion. Here NH2 group converted into nitro compound. So this is called functional group interconversion. Already we discussed about the FGI, functional group interconversion. It is writing the functional group for another functional group when this is possible. Okay. So here NH2 group converted into nitro group. C double bond OH. Okay. Here we discount takes place next to the heteroatom. Heteroatom pakkuna carbon ni discount cheyali. Okay. Now the target molecule is C double bond OH. Here OH. The synthon is CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Propyl chloride. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No problem. 4 hydroxy benzoic acid. These are reactants of this compound. So here propyl chloride, CH3, CH2, Cl and 4 hydroxy benzoic acid. 2, 3, 4. These four, last one, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are reactant molecules of this compound, target molecule, and this one is the starting material. Okay, so I repeat that compound. First we will discuss about the amine group and the next group is removed as like this, and I will discuss about the C double bond O group discussion takes place. Here C double bond O is formation. Here we take the functional group interconversion. NH2 group converted into NO2 and Here NO2 removed and here remove NO2 and I just like this compound and after the product is CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl and para-hydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, this is the retrosynthetic analysis of I will sometimes I will write the minus NO2. I will discuss next class why it is called changed as NO2. The answer is obtained the direct synthesis of this compound. Okay. The answer is obtained from direct synthesis of this compound. Okay, I will write the direct synthesis of this compound. And this is the para-hydroxy benzoic acid, the starting material of this reactant molecule. Okay. And what is the starting material of this compound is 4-hydroxy benzoic acid. 4-hydroxy benzoic acid. Here OH group, C double bond OH. When it is react with the one of the reactant molecule, that is N-propyl chloride. N-propyl chloride. Propyl chloride. It means CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Here hydrogen, and here two more taken as minus 2HCl. H plus Cl minus and H plus Cl minus. And the product is like this and C double bond O. Like this, the product is. Now the molecule undergo nitration. What is nitration? What is the purpose of nitrogen? What is the purpose of nitrogen? Nitrogen is the NO2 group. It is used to use in the NO2 plus. NO2 plus. It is the electrophile. It is the electrophile. Where it is obtained? It is obtained from nitric mixture. It is obtained from nitric mixture. What is nitric mixture? A mixture of H2SO4 plus HNO3 is called nitric mixture. It is the good source of NO2 electrophile. How it is the NO2 coming from this mixture? And this is the H2SO4 is the acid. It is the acid. It is the good source of H plus ion. H plus ion and I will write the HNO3 as NO2OH. HNO3. And what is the purpose of H2SO4 is it gives the H plus ion. And here oxygen low pair of electrons. It can abstract the H plus ion and it converted as O2 OH2. Here oxygen having positive charge, it needs some electron, it abstracts the electron and will make a positive one nitrogen. Here the NO2 group having positive charge, so it is called electrophile. Okay, so here from nitrogen NO2 group is obtained. Now what I am asked, my question is which place we choose the electrophilic substitution on aromatic ring. ఈ ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ అనేది ఎక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి, చాలా ప్లేస్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఎక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి అనేది మన క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, అయితే చూడండి ఇక్కడ హియర్ యు అబ్జర్వ్ ద O and C double bond O groups. O group is this group is ortho or para activating group. This group is ortho or para activating group, and this is the electron withdrawing group. This is the donating group. This is the donating group. This is the withdrawing group. This is the ortho or para activating group. This is the meta activating group. మెటా యాక్టివేటింగ్ గ్రూప్. అయితే ఇటువంటి గ్రూప్ ఉండేటప్పుడు అయితే ఆర్థో పొజిషన్లో కానీ లేకపోతే పారా పొజిషన్లో కానీ ఈ ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ జరగాలి. ఆల్రెడీ పారా పొజిషన్ విత్ ఫిల్ఫుల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి అయితే దిస్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ ప్లేస్ ఫర్ దిస్ కాంపౌండ్ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆర్థో యాక్టివేటింగ్ గ్రూప్. సో ద ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ విల్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్ ఎట్ ఆర్థో పొజిషన్. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ withdrawing group, meta position ఆర్థో meta, this is the meta position for withdrawing group. So here in case of electron donating group and withdrawing group, this position is right place for NO2 addition. Okay, and the compound is so NO2 and taken as like this and C double bond O like this. Here, when I react with SOCl2, thionate chloride, it is the good source of Cl minus and it is replaced by Cl. The compound is C double bond O, Cl, OH and NO2. This is the step 1. This one is the step 1. I can report step 1. In step 1, starting material is taken as para-hydroxybenzoic acid. When reacting with N-propyl chloride, two hydrogens are replaced by this compound and obtained as starting material and it undergo nitration. In nitration, the obtained electrophile is NO2 and this position is the activating position of electron with the NO2 group electrophilic addition and obtained molecule as this. And it reacts with the thionyl chloride and this part is replaced by Cl minus and the molecule is obtained. Here only two reactant molecules are used. Two reactant molecules are used only. And remaining molecule in step 2. Step 2. Step 2 వచ్చేసరికి we take the epoxide. When epoxide react with the amine, secondary amine, diethyl amine, so like this the lone pair of electrons will attack to the carbon and oxygen getting negative charge. Here H plus ion replaced by O minus and converted into OH like this. This is the step 2 product, step 1 product and step 2 product. Okay, I will write like this. In step 1, the molecule is C double bond O, Cl, NO2, not NH2, O plus OH, nitrogen like this. Here chlorine and hydrogen removed as minus HCl. The product molecule is NO2. Like this, C double bond O, then diethyl molecule. But what is our target molecule? Here our target molecule having here NH2 group, but here the molecule having NO2. So we need to change the NO2 group into NH2. So oxygen replaced by hydrogen and we will take the reaction is reduction. Now sometimes many people use it as a lithium aluminum hydride reducing agent and reducing agent used to reduction. But here in case of lithium aluminum hydride, here C double bond group also reduced, but we don't need. So we have to choose the selective reduction. So we have to need the selective reduction for NO2 to NH2. What is the selective reducing agent? The selective reducing agent of NO2 to NH2 is SnHCl. In presence of SnHCl, only NO2 group converted into NH2. So here you will use the SnHCl. So the product is obtained as here NO2 group converted into NH2 like this, C double bond O N like this is the Propara sign. This is the Propara sign. I will repeat the first. We take the target molecule, who is the starting material para hydroxybenzoic acid. When para hydroxybenzoic acid reacted with the N-propyl chloride, the obtained product is like this, and it is the electron donating group and electron donating and ortho activating group, and it is the electron withdrawing group and it is the meta activating group. This position is meta to electron withdrawing group and ortho to electron donating group. So the electrophile will take place from this position. So the electrophile is NO2. Here NO2 is obtained from nitration mixture. What is nitration mixture? A mixture of H2SO4 and HNO3 is called nitrate mixture. It is the good source of electrophile NO2 plus. So the electrophile will take place at this position. So the electrophile takes place at this position. When react with the thionyl chloride, it is good source of Cl minus ion, and this group is replaced by chloride ion, and benzoyl chloride is formation. And when it is reacted with the, and this is the step 1 product, we can choose the step 2. In step 2, the reactant molecule is epoxide takes place. When epoxide react with the diethylamine and formation of this compound, this is the step 2 product. And from step 1 and step 2, the reaction takes place is like that. Here this position is nitro group, but our target molecule having NH2 group. We want to choose the reduction from NO2 to NH2. What is the selective reducing agent for NO2 to NH2 is not lithium aluminate, only SnHCl. SnHCl is the selective reduction for nitro group converted into NH2. Our final molecule, target molecule is NH2O propyl and C double bond O propyl diethylamine. This is the Propara. Okay, thank you.